Did you know that many people love watching animal videos on YouTube and Instagram? Some channels get millions of views and followers. What if I told you that you can do the same without making your own videos? You can use videos from Chinese apps, add your own funny touches, and upload them to earn money from ads and affiliate marketing. Don't worry about copyright issues. These videos are usually safe to use since the apps are banned in China. Just add your unique style and these videos can become your own creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to find pet videos on Chinese apps and how to edit them using AI. Plus, I'll explain how to promote links from Amazon and ClickBank to earn thousands of dollars. Ready? Hit the like button, grab a drink, and let's get started. Step 1 first, let's find cute animal videos. Popular Chinese apps like Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, and Kuaishou have lots of animal content. We'll use Kuaishou. Go to kuaishou.com, sign up, and search for animals. If it doesn't work in your area, you can use a VPN. Look for videos with over 50,000 views for the best ones. Step 2 next, let's download those videos. Click the share button to copy the link. Go to your browser and search for tqa.cc, paste the Kuaishou link and click to download. When the video opens, click save to download it to your device easy. Step 3 now, let's add some fun. Use ChatGPT to come up with a funny caption for your video. Describe what's happening and ask for a humorous line, like when your dog's grooming routine is better than yours. A funny caption will make your video more interesting. To edit, we'll use CapCut, an easy AI tool for video editing. If you've never edited before, no problem. Click the link in the description to create an account on CapCut. After logging in, click Create Project and upload your video. Drag it onto the timeline. Click text to add your caption and style it the way you like. Position the text where it fits best, then add animations and sound effects. When you're happy with it, click save and let CapCut finish your video. Editing a second video, let's use a cat video with Chinese text. First, translate that text into English. Take a screenshot of the video, use an online tool to get the text, and then use ChatGPT for the translation. Replace the Chinese text with the English version in CapCut. Add sticky text, style it, and include background music. Final step now, create your own YouTube Shorts channel and start uploading your videos. Don't forget to include your affiliate links. Set up an affiliate account on Amazon or ClickBank, pick popular pet products, and generate links. Put these links in your bio or channel page, and you can even pin them in your video comments. That's it. By following these steps, you can start making money from your channel. Remember to upload regularly and engage with your audience. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on making money. See you in the next video.